Hey beauties out there, welcome to my channel Be Beautiful, where we help you to know who you are, love who you are, and be who you are. We're going to give a shout out to our sponsor Anthony Gladney for sponsoring our channel, and he is with financial services. And if you need to know how to build family wealth for you and your family, well, family is you and your family. If you want to know how to build family wealth, then go ahead and click on a link below. Schedule a 45-minute presentation with Anthony, and you will get a $10 gift card on top of that. Come on, you're going to get money as you are learning about money. You can't beat that. Okay, so for today's video, yes, I have on the same thing as the previous video because I recorded it the same day for all the people, for our fashion police out there, okay? All right, so listen up. In this video, I want to talk to you about making time to do what you want to do. What I just shared with you, where I have recorded the previous two videos on the same day, I'm utilizing my time in a wise way, finally. I say finally because I had a million and one excuses of why I couldn't do videos like this. And whenever I had an opportunity to have kind of the place that I'm at where it's quiet and where I'm kind of like by myself, so I'm not worried about anybody listening to me. I am a little introverted. I do care a little bit about, are they listening to me? You know, am I saying the right words? I am a little introverted when it comes to that. But I had moments to do that before, and I blew those moments. I was just like, I don't feel like doing it, or I gotta get ready to go to work. And I'm working double jobs. Come on, y'all. And doing this and working on another channel while I'm working on this channel. I'm working on a music channel too. I say all of that to say to you that whatever you really, really want to do and whatever you want to make time for, you're going to make time for it. Everybody makes time for what they really want to do. Have you ever had a crush on somebody, right? And you are already busy, but the moment you find the right one, you made time with that right one because you made time to do what you really want to do. You've been letting your dreams sit on hold because you've been saying you don't have time to work on your dreams because you're so busy with work, you're so busy with the kids, you're so busy with family, you're so busy with friends that need your help. Listen, you will make time for whatever you want to make time for. Not saying that you can't still be there for your family and friends, and not saying that you can't still work the job that you're working. But what I'm saying is there is always at least 5 minutes at a moment of time where you can work on something. If you make a baby step is better than no step. Okay? If you can only spend 10 minutes a day on your dream, if you can only spend 30 minutes, come on, some of y'all can do at least 30 minutes. You may be able to do an hour if you count the time that you're scrolling on social media, like you scroll to find my channel. And that's why I'm letting you know as a friendly reminder, let's get it together. We need to start utilizing our time a little bit wiser. So what you're going to do is this. Set out at least a certain amount of time every day or on specific days, depending on if your day is a little different from the other. And just say, you know what? I am so devoted to my dream. I am going to work on this thing. Bars. I'm going to work on this thing and I'm going to make my dreams come true with the little time that I have. Because here's the thing. You can spend money and get money back. Time you can never get back. Time is one of those things that you can never ever get back once you waste it. So you got to utilize your time wisely. Okay? Life is short, and I'm telling you, I know this from experience because I've lost too many people in my life that passed away when they were way too young. Okay? So I'm saying this to you that life is short. So utilize that time wisely, even if it's just 15 minutes a day. Okay, work on our dream. Don't think, oh, I'm not going to have the time, because this is what I know. When you make the steps in making the time for what you want to do for your dreams and goals, you will realize that when you start doing that, everything in your world begin to start lining up with you having more time to do that thing, right? Because you're making the initial steps to spend that little time that you want on your dreams And as you do that, more opportunities of more time will begin to come your way because your dreams want your dreams to happen too. Okay? So listen, find the time every single day to do what you're called to do, and you will be like, you'll be amazed. You'll get to the point where you have it an hour a day. And then when you really live in your dreams, you get to the point where you can spend a whole day working on your dreams because you'll be your own boss if that's what your dream is. Your dream may be to have a career working for another company or something, whatever it is, but you'll have more time for that thing. Okay? So make the first step. If it's 5 minutes a day, 5 minutes is if it's 5 minutes a day, 10 minutes a day, whatever it is, make the baby steps. Use that time to work on whatever you want to accomplish. And you'll notice that as you do that, you will be gifted with even more time. All right, so you all be blessed. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to become a member of my channel so you can get some extra perks, some free ebooks that I have written. I have so many resources to give, but I know the worth of them. So all you have to do is subscribe and become a member to my channel. I have 3 tiers for it. And these 3 tiers can help you to live out your dream. No, I'm not being a salesperson right now. I'm letting you know that these resources are very helpful because they were helpful for me. I had to live through these resources to be able to share them with you. I had to go through some stuff in order to be able to share this with you. All right. So help your girl out by becoming a YouTube member, which in turn is going to help you out tremendously.